What if a quick phone trick could save you from a $1,000 printer repair? It's not clickbait. Fake toner is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and these knockoffs don't just give you bad prints, they can leak and completely destroy your printer, voiding your warranty. The good news is you can spot a fake in seconds using just your smartphone. Here's how. Before opening the toner, check the box. Genuine packaging has solid cardboard and sharp, clear printing. Fakes often have fuzzy text, spelling errors, or off colors. The biggest clue is the security seal. Brands like Hewlett-Packard and Brother use a holographic sticker. A real one will shift and change as you tilt it. If the sticker is flat, lifeless, or missing, it's a major red flag. Now grab your phone, look for a scannable code on the box's security label. For Hewlett-Packard or HP, it's a QR code. For Brother, it's a data matrix code, which might require their support center app to scan. Point your camera at it, and a link must take you to the manufacturer's official website for verification. If it doesn't scan or leads to a sketchy site, it's a fake. Next, use your phone's flashlight on the holographic sticker. Shine the light on it and tilt the box. A genuine hologram has complex details that shift and react to light. A fake one will look flat and lifeless under the same light. If the box checks out, inspect the cartridge. First, the brand logo should be molded or printed directly into the plastic, not a cheap sticker. Second, feel the quality. A genuine cartridge feels solid, while fakes often feel brittle. And finally, look for any toner leakage inside the bag or on the cartridge itself. Any sign of loose powder is a huge warning sign of a poorly made product that would damage your printer. So here's your quick recap. 1. Inspect the box for print quality and a shifting hologram. 2. Use your phone to scan the security code and ensure it verifies on the official brand website. 3. Check the cartridge for a molded logo and any toner leaks. And remember, if a deal seems too good to be true, it almost always is. Stick to authorized dealers to avoid the risk. Take a minute to run these checks before installing your next toner. It's the best way to protect your printer. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more money-saving tech tips. Have you ever been burned by a fake? Share your story in the comments. Thanks for watching.